In front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent. Click at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. When you finish, hit top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!